Welcome to MVP Auto Review, where today we dive into the future of German luxury engineering with the highly anticipated 2026 BMW 7 Series. BMW's flagship sedan has always been the brand's ultimate expression of comfort, innovation, and performance, and the 2026 model takes that legacy to a new level. The 7 Series has been reimagined not just as a luxury car but as a complete high-tech, sustainable mobility experience that caters to both the driver and the passengers in a way that feels like a glimpse into the next decade. From the very first glance, the exterior design of the 2026 BMW 7 Series makes a bold statement. The front fascia is dominated by a sleeker interpretation of BMW's kidney grille, now with an adaptive illumination system that subtly glows to greet the driver. The headlights feature BMW's next-gen laser light matrix technology, giving razor-sharp illumination and an unmistakable signature look even from a distance. The lines are sculpted for aerodynamic efficiency without losing that signature 7 Series elegance. The proportions are perfect, long, low, and commanding, while new flush door handles and active aerodynamic elements contribute to improved efficiency and a whisper-quiet ride at high speeds. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW 7 Series offers a range of powertrains designed for different types of drivers. There's a refined inline-6 with mild hybrid technology for those who love traditional combustion smoothness, a powerful V8 with enhanced turbocharging for performance enthusiasts, and an all-electric i7 variant for those embracing the future. The electric i7 boasts over 400 miles of range, ultra-fast charging capability, and instantaneous torque that makes acceleration effortless. BMW's engineering team has fine-tuned the chassis and adaptive air suspension to deliver a ride that blends limousine comfort with sports sedan agility. Whether cruising down the Autobahn or navigating city streets, the 7 Series feels poised, balanced, and in complete control. Inside, the cabin of the 2026 7 Series is nothing short of a technological sanctuary. BMW has redefined what luxury means here. Not just premium materials, but a seamless integration of cutting-edge features that work intuitively. The interior is wrapped in sustainably sourced leather alternatives, handcrafted wood veneers, and crystal light controls that catch the light beautifully. The highlight is the massive curved display stretching across the dashboard, merging the digital instrument cluster and the latest iDrive 9 infotainment system. Gesture control, haptic feedback, and an AI-based personal assistant make interaction more natural than ever. Rear passengers get a true first-class experience with executive lounge seating, complete with full recline, footrests, and massage functions. The new 31-inch 8K BMW theater screen drops down from the roof, turning the rear cabin into a private cinema with surround sound. For the 2026 model, BMW has also introduced Sky Lounge Panoramic Roof 2.0, which allows you to adjust the tint and ambient light patterns to match your mood, whether you want a bright open-air feel or a cozy evening atmosphere. Driver assistance and safety features are at the forefront. The 2026 7 Series comes with BM's most advanced semi-autonomous driving system yet, capable of handling highway driving, lane changes, and even city navigation under certain conditions. The augmented reality head-up display projects navigation arrows and hazard alerts directly onto the road ahead, making driving more intuitive and less stressful. Parking is also effortless, thanks to a fully automated valet system that can park and retrieve the car without anyone inside. One of the standout aspects of the 2026 BMW 7 Series is how it balances sustainability and performance. The manufacturing process incorporates recycled materials, the engines meet the strictest emission standards, and the electric variant uses a cobalt-free battery for reduced environmental impact. Yet, none of this comes at the expense of driving pleasure. The steering is precise, the acceleration is thrilling, and the car feels alive in your hands, a reminder that BMW still puts the driver first, even in its most luxurious offering. In the competitive world of flagship sedans, the 2026 BMW 7 Series stands tall against rivals like the Mercedes S-Class and Audi A8, offering a more dynamic driving experience while matching them in comfort and tech sophistication. It's a car that doesn't just transport you from one place to another, it transforms every journey into an event. From the commanding presence of its design to the whisper-quiet, refined ride, from the jaw-dropping interior tech to the exhilarating performance, the new 7 Series shows that BM's vision of luxury is alive, evolving, and more exciting than ever. For those who demand the very best in design, innovation, and driving pleasure, the 2026 BMW 7 Series is not just a car, it's a statement. Whether you choose the silky smooth gasoline engines or embrace the future with the electric i7, you're stepping into a masterpiece of engineering that reflects both heritage and forward-thinking vision. BMW has truly raised the bar for what a luxury flagship sedan can be, and the 7 Series remains the ultimate expression of driving luxury in 2026.